Hi, I'm Alexi and I'm a Year 12 student and I'm back to Brighton today. We're currently visiting the ELCs. Coming back to ELC, it feels really emotional to be back here after so long, seeing all the little ELC kids and knowing that we were that age once and here as well. It's really cute.
It's a bit surreal to be back here at Brighton today, reminiscing on all the old times with my teachers and friends. Looking at all the classrooms I used to be a part of, and it's just been a great day with the assembly, with all my old teachers speaking.
My name is Katrina Manson and I'm the head of campus here at Haileybury, Brighton. Today is our Back to Castlefield Day, a special occasion dedicated to welcoming our Year 12 students who started their educational journey with us anywhere from ELC through to Year 9 at Brighton. It's a day to recognise, celebrate and honour the time, memories, lessons and connections that have been cultivated within our very special campus. The Year 12 students will be unearthing time capsules that were put together during their Year 8, which marked their final year in middle school. The junior school students have decorated ties with colours, logos and designs that encapsulate the spirit of Castlefield. These will be presented to each of our Year 12 students by the junior school Year 4 leaders. Back to Castlefield Day serves as a poignant reflection of the rich tapestry of experiences and relationships that define our educational community.